A good seed sowing mix makes all the difference to germination and healthy seedlings. Today, I will show you my simple recipe for a light, fluffy mix that gives seeds the best start. Namaskaram! This is Srideep and welcome back to Blossom Your Way, where we focus on growing what matters in your garden, your home and your life. I start with a block of cocoa coir. It's made from coconut husk fibers and holds moisture well without becoming soggy. To prepare it, I add water bit by bit and I let it expand. Once fully expanded, you can see how light and fluffy it becomes. It's perfect for the delicate seedlings. To the cocoa coir, I add worm castings for gentle nutrients and perlite to improve drainage and airflow around the roots. Once the mix is ready, I fill my seedling trays and then I gently tap it with my fingers so the mix settles without compacting. Now, this seed sowing mix is ready to use in trays, punnets, peat pots or even larger containers. In my upcoming seed series, we will be covering everything from understanding different seed types to how to read a seed packet and then how to actually use this mix to grow seeds, whether that's in trays, punnets, peat pots or other containers. We will also look at sowing methods from direct sowing in the garden to starting seeds in seedling trays. I will meet you all in the next episode. Until then, please keep growing what matters and remember, it doesn't have to be perfect, it just has to start. Now, if you have found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and share it with friends and family who love gardening. That's how our gardening community can grow together.